Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you understand English but still can't speak confidently, this video is for you.
Yes, today we'll teach you 8 powerful, practical, everyday tips to help you unlock your English voice, starting today. 1. Think in English, not translate.
When you translate in your head, your brain slows down. Start small. Think simple English sentences during the day.
Like, I am cooking. I am walking. I am tired. My phone is charging.
Say it in your mind in English, not your native language. This builds speaking fluency.
2. Speak out loud, even when you're alone.
Don't wait for a partner. Talking alone is 100% normal and super helpful.
Describe what you're doing. Like, I'm opening the door. I'm drinking tea. I'm getting ready for school.
Your mouth must practice English to speak English.
3. Use the shadowing method.
Shadowing means you listen and repeat at the same time. Pick easy videos like daily conversations, movies, or news for beginners.
Say what they say, copy their tone, speed, and rhythm. It trains your brain and tongue together. 4. Learn phrases, not words.
Don't memorize single words like beautiful or difficult. Instead, learn natural phrases.
Like, that's beautiful. That's difficult for me. I need a minute. Give me a second.
Phrases help you speak faster and more naturally.